feel like I could go right through the roof. Yeah. Electricity flows through the room. We gon' blow it up. Everyone knows there's no peace and quiet. Everyone shows up. It's a heck of a riot. Everyone knows this is the place to be. Everyone goes, your friends, your family, your scene.
Wishing you a fantastic year ahead filled with joy, success, and wonderful memories. And I hope our bonding will increase even more. That's all. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Last time na nakita kita, sipunin pa tayo. Kidding. Ayun, I wish you nothing but all the things you deserve in life. And please know that every step you make in your life, every decision that you make, andito lang kami. We got your back.
Ngayon, ang bilis ng panahon, dalaga ka na, 18 ka na. I wish you all the best in life. Sana matapos mo yung school mo, maging profession. For sure, makakamit mo naman kung ano yung mga gusto mong makamit kasi you're intelligent enough and beautiful. Happy birthday, Kat. I love you.
Everyone knows there's a peace and quiet. Everyone shows up. It's a heck of a riot. Everyone knows this is the place to be. Everyone goes, friends, your family, your scene. Turn the lights down, party in the night. Dancing on the table. Everybody go crazy. Everybody get loose tonight. Everybody go crazy. Everybody just lose your mind.
Sobrang cute mo nung baby ka. Talagang nakaka-inlove kong alagaan. Yung tipong hindi ako napapagod, na parang ako na yung naging nanay mo nun. dahil sa busy si mommy mo. So, happy birthday. Wish na all your dreams may be fulfilled. At mahal na mahal kita. Always remember to honor God and your parents. Because yun lang yung command ni Lord na may promise sa atin.